Now he was keeping the cotton on the nose, and then before the traveler left, now the operation successful. Before the traveler leave the place, what the suggestions Sushruta giving? He was given instruction on what to do and what not, and a list of medicine and herbs. Herbs means small plants, medicinal plants. He was to take regularly. He was giving the instructions to the traveler what to do and what not to do. We have to follow the instruction. Nowadays also doctors give the instruction. Then you do like this, you do like this. Then after 1 week, after 2 weeks, you come and meet me like that. Here also, Sushruta giving the instructions to the traveler. He was also asked to come back after a few weeks to be examined. After 2 weeks, again you come and meet me. Like the Sushruta asking traveler. Okay, ma? Then, in this manner, Sushruta mended a nose some 20 centuries ago. When the operation started, when not now. 20 centuries ago, he done a beautiful, successfully operation by giving the mug of wine just like a anesthesia. There was no problem. That is the 20 centuries ago. And what? He did not greatly different from what a plastic surgeon would do today. In fact, Sushruta is today recognized as the father of plastic surgery all over the world. What was the recognition of the Sushruta? Plastic surgeon. When he died? 20 centuries ago. But now itself, we are remembering what he done about the Sushruta. He was recognized as a plastic surgery all over the world. His treatise means a small story essay. What he written the essay? Sushruta Samhita. Sushruta Samhita was written by the Sushruta. Then has a considerable medical knowledge of relevance even today. Sushruta Samhita is known as the medical essay. When you want to know all the doctors, maybe they were searching all the points from the Sushruta Samhita, which was written by the Sushruta. Even today also, it indicates that India was far ahead of the rest of the world in medical knowledge. So, what a great knowledge, you know. He didn't keep his knowledge inside only. He take out by doing the operations. So, as anyone, what you know, what is the profession of you, you have to take it out. Then only you will be getting the more knowledge. Like that, Sushruta also done like that only. Born in the 6th century BC, Sushruta was a descendant of the Vedic sage Vishwamitra. He learnt surgery and medicine at the feet of Daivodasa Dhammavatri. From here, this feet of means he went and stood and sat near the feet of. He was getting all the point. He learned. But still we are the learners only. Like the Sushruta also learned everything from this man. In his heritage at Varanasi. Later, he became the authority in not only surgery. Who got the authority? Sushruta got the authority. When he learned more knowledge, when he learned everything, then only he got the authority of surgery, but also in other branches of medicine. Not only surgery, in other branches, maybe handicap, maybe whatever he was going to do. He got good knowledge by learning. So learning. Till our days we have to learn. We are the learners only. But here also surgeon, then he was doing the surgery, and then other medicines also he was got the authority. Then he was the first physician to advocate what is today known as the cesarean operation. He was also an expert. You remember this one. He was also expert, not only surgeon, that he was also expert in removing urinary stone, and second one, locating and treating fracture and doing eye operation. See how many other medicinal means these are urinary stone, then locating the fracture, and then doing the eye operation for cataract. Here is the suggestions to give wine to patients about to be operated upon, makes him also the father of anesthesia. Has he given the anesthesia, ma? No. In those days, what he given for the operation? Mug of wine. Now we are taking the anesthesia. So, he all people called as the father of anesthesia. Who was the father of anesthesia? Sushruta. So, what a great man, no, ma? Then, he is a treatise in his small essay. Sushruta lists 101 types of instrument. His samdhamsa yantras are the first forms of the modern surgeon's swing forceps. What are the shapes of his instruments? Forceps and dissection and dressing forceps. In fact, his system of naming surgical tools. He was naming the surgical tool. What are the instruments they hang on the wall? He given names of the surgical tools after the animals or birds. He kept animals names and birds names to the surgical instruments. Then they resemble in shape. For example, crocodile forceps. First example, crocodile forceps. The forceps name is the crocodile. That means the forceps was the shape of the crocodile. Then oxbill forceps is adopted even today. What he introduced till today also, all the doctors are using these two forceps. The last one is a very important one. Sushruta was also an excellent teacher. He told his pupil what he was giving advice, that one could become a good physician. How will become the good physician? Yes, I know, not to do like that. Don't get the bad name. So what is Sushruta giving the advice to the people? If you want to become a good physician, what you will do? Only if one knew both theory and practice, then only you will become a good physician. You have to know theory. Some doctors don't know theory, they will do the practice. Some people, they don't know the practice, they will do the operation theory. So both should be needed side by side. These two are very important to all the people. You have to follow like that. Then theory and practice, he advised his pupil to use carcasses and models for practice before surgery. Don't take directly on human being. First you do the practice on made model and carcasses, the practice from the operation. Like the Sushruta given the advice to the people. What a great man. He was not keeping his knowledge here only. So he given the advice. That advice everyone should follow. So who are the good, who are the responsibility in their work, they will be giving the good advice. You have to follow. Okay, ma? Whoever told, maybe parents, maybe teachers, maybe old grandpa and grandma, you have to follow what are the suggestions. Then only you will become a good. Okay, ma? Is it clear? Have you understood? Okay, bye.